So let us see this simple problem here over here. I've been given two regression lines, and we got to find what is x bar and y bar, which is the mean, and also find the correlation coefficient. Right now, we'll write down the regression lines. This is 8x minus 10y plus 66 is equal to 0, and 40x minus 18y is equal to 214. Okay, we'll write this form is minus 214 is equal to 0. Okay, so if you solve these two equations, you get x and y values, so which is nothing but the mean. Okay, so you can find out. So this is 13 and 17 we got with this. Now with this uh, we write uh, in y on x. Okay, so that we get the coefficient relation between x and y. So y on x will be so y on the left hand side uh, for this equation. So y this will be if I divide, so it is 8 by 10 into x plus 66 by 10. So uh, this is y on x. Okay, and x on y, which is for this, that is x on the left hand side. So it is 18 by 40 to x plus 14 by 40. Okay, now b y on x, right? B which is 8 by 10. Okay, and b x on y, which is 18 by 40. Okay, so this is 4 by 5, and this is 9 by 20. And to find the correlation coefficient, which is r, is square root of coefficient of this of that is y on x or x on y. Same, so 4 by 5 multiplied 9 by 20. So this is 0 0.6. So let us move on to the next problem. Okay, this is the mean. Okay. To solve this problem. Okay, so here you got to find the correlation coefficient and the equation of the regression lines of the following data. Data is given here, x and y. Okay, so let us first find what we require is x bar, that is the mean. Here the data here I can find it's n is 5, so that is summation xi divided by n, which is here it is 15, and this is n, which is 5, which is 3, and y bar is summation yi by n, which is 25 by 5, which is 5. So we got x bar and y bar. Let us form the table, and before that let me write down some of the formulas. So to find the coefficient of correlation is that r, which is r, okay, is summation of xi and yi, summation of xi and yi by square root of uh, summation of xi square and summation of yi square. Okay, and and py x is summation xi yi by summation xi square, and p xy is summation xi yi by uh, summation yi square. Okay, so let us solve this. So the required table is this. So you will be finding what is xi here. Xi, capital Xi, which is uh, this is xi minus x bar, which is 3. Okay, and yi is yi minus 5. Okay, so let us quickly find. So we got the required result. Okay, and please check your answers. Okay, now let us get back to formula where we have written. So summation of xi and yi, which is nothing but 13. And yeah, let us substitute it and get r here. So r is the coefficient of correlation. So 13 by square root of 26 into 10, right? So which is 0.80622. Okay, and this is 13 by 10. Okay, and which is 1.3, and this is 0.5, which is, which is 13 by 26, which is okay, which is 0.5. Okay. Now we got to find what are the regression lines here. So which is y minus y bar is byx, x minus x bar, right? So which is y minus 5. This is 1.3 multiplied x minus 3. Or we can write y as y is equal to 1.3 x plus 1.1. And x minus x bar, uh, which is bxy, y minus y bar. So we get x 0.5 to y plus 0.5. So these are the regression lines. Okay, equation of a regression lines. Okay, so we got this. So let us solve this problem over here. Here I have n as 7. Okay, 7 data you have. So we need to find the correlation coefficient, and equation of the regression lines. Okay, so let us begin. So here I have n as 7. Okay, so the summation of xi will be 28 divided by 7, which is 4, and summation of that is summing of all y will be 77 divided by 7, which is 11. So I got y and x. So the formula corresponding to this. Okay. So let us form the table now. So click look at this. So this data. So we got xi square and yi square, which is same, and the summation of xi and yi. Okay. So let us substitute in this. Okay. Summation of xi and yi, which is this is 26 by 28, which is equal to 0.9286. Got r. Okay. And then next is this. So that would be calculate this. So this is 26 by 28. 26 by 28. You got this also 26 by 28. So which is nothing but 0.9286. Okay. This is also 0.9286. So let us substitute it. So y minus y bar, that is y minus 11. Okay. 0.9286 into x minus x bar, which is 4. We get y as 0.9286 into x. After simplifying it, you get plus 7.2856. So this is x minus x bar, which is 4. And this is 0.9286. Okay. Y minus 11. Okay. So you get x as 0.9286y minus 6.2146. So these are the equation of the regression line.